3 and 4. Sweep, step, step, step. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Sweep, step, step, step. 1, 2. We're going to show you everything you learned, and then you're going to get another song to practice. We started off with walking. Walk, walk, triple step. Then we backed it up. Walk, walk, triple step. All of this is perfectly fine. I'm developing connection and rhythm with my partner. In, out. If she wants to, she'll spin. If she doesn't want to, she won't. I can then take that in, out. Hand goes down close to her body. Keeping it close, she rotates back. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Triple step. We can then 1, 2, 3, and I step across, causing a sweep step. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then for the big sauce, we can go 1, 2, 3 and 4. Sweep, shoulder to shoulder, around step. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Sweep, step, step, step. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Sweep, step, step, step. 1, 2, but lots of side passes are good. You don't want to do that too many times. You start to get dizzy. I've been DJ JohnPaul. This has been the lovely Kortnee. Thank you, Roundup Nightclub. With your partner, bring them back to where you started. We're going to do a song to practice.